Hello everyone, welcome to Tech for Fun. In this video we are going to make DIY refrigerator using Peltier. This will be the first episode, and the second episode we will connect the Peltier to a icebox. So let's unbox the Peltier kit. You can see in that Peltier kit I have a fan and two heatsink. One is bigger one and another one is smaller one. The bigger one will connect to the hot side of the Peltier and the smaller one to the cooler side. And here I am using TEC1127115 module, that means 12 volt 15 ampere module. Let's clean a bit. And we'll paste heatsink paste to the heatsink. Then we will connect the cooler side module. You can see the smaller one is the cooler one and the number written is the cooler side of the Peltier. So we will connect the smaller heatsink to the written of the Peltier, number written in the Peltier. So I need to screw these two. Now let's connect the cooling fan to the heatsink. So we need a cooling fan in the hot side to radiate the temperature. So let's screw it. And we will connect the CPU fan cover for the protection. So this thing we will get in that kit. So that is cost around 500 to 600 rupees online. We can purchase that. After that we will connect the power supply to the Peltier. So here I am using 12 volt 20 ampere SMPS. So your power supply should be higher than your Peltier current rating. So in my case Peltier current rating is 15 ampere and I am using 20 ampere power supply SMPS. So let's connect the phase and neutral to the AC supply to our SMPS. and the other terminal of that wire will go to the power supply terminal of our socket in our home. And now we have, you can see, two types of wire, two wire for fan and two wire for Peltier. So we will connect the positive of fan to the 12 volt side of my SMPS and ground to the ground terminal. Same wise in the case of Peltier also. We will connect Peltier 12 volt to the 12 side of SMPS and ground to the ground of the SMPS. Okay. After that, we need to give the power supply to the wire. You can see the light is on in my SMPS, and this is my Peltier, and this fan side is the hot end side, and the smaller heatsink is the cool on side. Now it is on, it is getting hot on other side and cool on the other side. You can see the moisture, you can see the water in my Peltier because of this cooling effect. You can see the water. Let's zoom a bit. You can see now it is the water clearly. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.